Why should you try the new service we are offering to the public? First of all, banks offer several advantages to citizens in terms of money, and we are going to describe them. Whatever type of money is used, it should perform three important functions. Medium of exchange. In previous centuries, barter was the most common type of exchange used. It consisted on the agreement between two beneficiaries which agreed to give a good in exchange for another. This brought some controversies, since there could be the possibility that one of both beneficiaries didn't agree. Nowadays, money serves as a medium of exchange which all people accept. Standard of value. It allows people to quantify the relative costs of goods and services. Store of value. Money holds its value over time. This means that people can keep it for later use and use it wherever and whenever they want. There is an exception for this when the country experiences inflation. Furthermore, money should have some properties that make it fair. They can be divided into physical and economic. The physical ones are durability, portability, uniformity and divisibility. Regarding the economic ones, these are scarcity, acceptability and stability. Finally, we have different types of money depending on what they rely on. Commodity money. The value of money relies on the actual value the material has for itself. For instance, coins made from precious metals were worth for what they were valuable for. This means that you could, for example, buy a ship with a coin made of silver, because the coin represented the value of the material it was made of. Representative money. Merchants and bankers in the Middle Ages lent receipts that certified to pay a determined amount of silver and gold. Fiat money. This is similar to the previous one, but fiat money is based on the social agreement that a piece of paper represents something valuable. For example, a $10 bill cannot be exchanged for gold or silver, but it can do so with goods and services that are worth $10. The paper itself doesn't have intrinsic value. It's just an agreement. We're now going to describe our type of institution. Financial institutions are companies engaged in the business of dealing with financial and monetary transactions. Every person in a developed economy will require at least once the services of these institutions. There are some benefits of using these services. Firstly, is a way to keep your money safe and generate interests from having it there. This means that if you open a bank account and put $1,000 in a pair of years, or, depending on the type of interest, you'll probably have $1,100. Secondly, you can ask for loans if you want to purchase a good for which you don't have the total amount of money, or mortgages if you want a dwelling. Another thing you can do is invest in the stock market, where you can also generate some income, although you can also lose it. So, getting back to the initial question, why should you come and try our new service? We can offer you advancements of loans, so you purchase the car you always wanted, monitor your check payments and add to your account your work remuneration, provide credit cards, so as to always have money in your wallet, and many other services. Don't hesitate to come and see all the advantages with your own eyes. Someone you can trust.